from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. All right, jumping right into our drone shot from today as the KATC drone cam takes to the skies, and kind of ominous looking skies out there today, partly to mostly cloudy with some dark bases. Of course, we did have a good amount of shower and storm activity across the area, but the plus side of all of that is that it helps to keep our temperatures in check. Some rain cooled air out there this afternoon, with most of us actually in the 70s and 80s. So again, I know some of you kind of tired of the rainfall, but at least we get a little bit of a break from the big heat. So here's the upper level setup, and kind of in between two ridges of high pressure, so a general weakness in the atmosphere, but also a little bit of a disturbance off to our east, so that's going to continue to track westward here over the next couple of days. And as that interacts with sufficient low-level moisture that's in place at the surface, it's going to help to lead to a pretty healthy scattering of showers and storms, at least through the next couple of days. And again, with a lot of that moisture in place, there's a possibility of some heavy rainfall. And in fact, all of Acadiana under a marginal risk to see excessive rainfall heading into tomorrow. So there could be some ponding on the roadways, maybe some flooding in low-lying areas. So keep that in mind. But at the very least, again, better than normal rain chances, not only tomorrow, but really looks like for the rest of the week and potentially into the upcoming weekend as well. You can kind of see where the disturbance is here on the satellite radar composite. A little swirl here just off the coastline, we'll say, at Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. And really a good amount of shower activity today from Louisiana all the way over to the Florida Panhandle. And again, as that disturbance continues to track westward over the next couple of days, it's going to keep our weather pattern unsettled. Now, mostly just some lingering light showers across Acadiana late this afternoon. These will continue to diminish as the evening wears on, but still kind of a nuisance if you are trying to head out this evening. Again, still light showers from Opelousas, Eunice, all the way down to Abbeville, over to Lafayette, Breaux Bridge, and New Iberia as well. So again, rain chances high over the next couple of hours, but only for light activity. And then we'll look to stay quiet through the rest of the night. Mid to upper 70s. That's where we'll start the day tomorrow. And then notice we'll start to see showers and storms firing up as early as tomorrow morning. Some of us seeing some storms as early as 7, 8 o'clock this morning. So can't totally rule it out. But then especially as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and again with any one of these particular storms that gets going, there's going to be the potential that they put down some heavy rainfall. So again, be on the lookout for that. We quiet down tomorrow night. Maybe some rain cooled upper 60s to lower 70s for that overnight low heading into Thursday morning. And again, we're going to keep scattered activity in the forecast graph model, not as aggressive going into Thursday, but we're still going to maintain at least a 50 to 60% chance of rain. As you can just kind of see the swirl just meandering around off the coastline even as we head into Friday. So got to go for at least better than normal rain chances there. As far as rainfall amounts, the estimates here per the graph model taking us through the next 48 hours, again, showing a good portion of the area potentially picking up 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So definitely a good soaking on the table here across Acadiana through the next several days. Again, you can see the unsettled weather pattern here across the Gulf Coast, but still the Gulf of Mexico in general. Caribbean Sea looking good as we open it up into the tropics. 1 or 2 tropical waves in the Atlantic basin, but we're still not expecting we're not expecting any new developments at least through the next 5 days. So certainly some good news there. Lingering light showers over the next hour or two, but then we'll quiet down after sunset for the most part. We'll go 75 for the projected low tonight as skies try to fair out. And then tomorrow, the unsettled weather pattern continues. Again, scattered showers and storms, a pretty good bet just about at any point throughout the day, with some heavy downpours certainly possible. And if we're lucky with more clouds and showers, once again, we'll see high temperatures kept in check in the 80s, 50 to 60% on the rain chances through the end of the week. Pattern staying somewhat unsettled, but still pretty typical for August standards as we head into the weekend and pretty much through the entirety of next week as well, with scattered downpours remaining in the mix. Your high temperatures remaining in the 80s, perhaps with more sunshine on a few of those days. We could slip into the lower 90s. But that's going to do it for weather for right now, but stay with us. We're going to have more news coming up after the break.